What's up? It's the Flavour Fellas.
This is two cultures coming together. Italy versus England usually ends in an English defeat. But today, we're teaming up. Pasta meets roast.
All right, leftovers. Let's make them worth eating.
First up, make the stock. Roughly cut celery, carrots, garlic and onion. Add the chicken bones onto a tray along with a drizzle of olive oil and your chopped vegetables. Then roast until golden.
Then combine the roast chicken, cavolo nero, sage and rosemary. Finally chop all of this. Grate a ton of grana padano and lemon zest and taste for seasoning.
Now back to the oven. Remove the tray and check the roast bones and veg are golden brown. Transfer into a large pot, add water to cover, salt, herbs, black peppercorns, cheese rind, and 40 minutes later you've got liquid gold.
Take your filling and crack an egg on your mate's head. Add more salt, then mix thoroughly. The mixture should be well bound but not wet. If it feels loose, add a little bit more cheese.
Some people learn pasta. Italians are basically born knowing the gluten ratio. Some studies have actually shown that when an Italian approaches pasta dough, the gluten aligns itself out of respect.
Ah, the English. Anyway, whack your flour on the counter, eggs in the middle, mix, knead and wrap. The key now is to leave it alone.
Proceed to tell Francesco that it's actually coming home this year. By then, 30 minutes should have passed.
Now for the ravioli. Roll the pasta thin, dollop the filling, brush with water, top, press and cut. Repeat until the dough or your patience runs out.
For your pan sauce, add butter, sage, peas and a splash of your beautiful stock.
Add your ravioli to the stock until they float. Scoop straight into the sauce and toss gently.
Add extra butter, sage, peas, take a bite, smile, and that's quite simply leftovers elevated.
A roast dinner wrapped in pasta, the most delicious peace treaty Europe's ever seen.
Until next time, ciao.